Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. Into the last lecture, we have seen one-dimensional array. In this lecture, we will continue with the two-dimensional array. Here, we wish to input and output of 2 by 2 matrix with integer data type. So for that, we have to declare integer array with two dimensions. First is row and second is column. Numbers of rows and numbers of columns. To handle row and column, we require two variables. One is I and the another one is j. Here I equals to 0, I less than 2 and I plus plus. We are changing in the program of one dimensional because you will come to know the difference between one dimensional array and two dimensional array. To handle two-dimensional array, we require nested loop. So here j less than 2 and j plus plus. To input value, we can write enter value %d and here address of not only I but I comma j. So this is the structure of two-dimensional array. Likewise, for the output also we have to write multiple loops, or we can say nested loop. I equals to 0, j equals to 0, j less than 2 and j plus plus. Again for printf, I and j. Here, to print output in a matrix form, we have to give space over here, and after the inner loop, we have to write /n. Then only the output will come into the matrix form. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here the output is 1, 2 and 3, 4. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Let us see if we are not giving this /n, then Ctrl F9, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Or if we'll write /n over here, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will not display in the form of matrix. To print the output in a form of matrix, we have to follow this pattern. Again Ctrl F9, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is about two-dimensional array. Thank you.